Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another Tile Tool Tuesday. Recently ripped the hose off of my cordless DeWalt shop vac and decided to try something different. This shop vac is great. It has a long run time with the battery, but the suction is very, very weak. So wanted to try something very inexpensive that has wheels, easy to move around, that is small, compact, cordless, and includes, of course, a wand, so you don't have to get on your hands and knees when you clean up debris during a bathroom remodel or a shower remodel. And this is what I landed on, a small, compact, cordless, little shop vac by KIMO. KIMO's been around since 1990. This is an inexpensive shop vac kit. Runs 99 bucks, includes the shop vac, your charger, your battery, wheels, accessories, hose, a wand. Shop vacs are used on a daily basis when remodeling your bathrooms, remodeling your showers, when you suck up dust and debris on a slab or subfloor before installing your shower pan or before installing your floor tile. A very essential tool for all contractors, builders, and DIYers. Let's get right to it. Bring the camera up close, unbox this, show you what this kit includes. Let's check out the KIMO. Your hose, and here it is, your small, compact, 3.5 gallon cordless shop vac. Let's open the top. I believe the accessories are in here. Here's your wand. Filter. Accessories. And wheels so that you can drag this around, sucking up dust, debris. Charger. Your 2-amp battery. A metal nozzle to attach in order to vacuum ash out of a barbecue. Instructions. Okay, let's quickly assemble, charge the battery, and go over the specs of this small, compact, cordless shop vac. Let's run by the specs. 2-amp battery gives you up to 20 minutes runtime. This provides 10 kPa suction, which is equivalent to a Dyson V8. 3.5 gallons. A washable filter. Wheels for mobility. Wand. And multiple accessories. As usual, links will be down in the description with pricing and specs on this unit. All right, let's test it out. Well, there you go. Talk about bang for your buck. You get a lot for the money. It's inexpensive, it's quiet, it's powerful, good suction, it's super small and compact. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to tap subscribe, tap the bell notification, and tap like, and I'll see you guys on the next one.